Now if you're looking for a bookcase, builders have a wide range of flat pack options to choose from. They're quality, durable, and best of all they're flat pack, so it's really easy to get home. They've been designed to be strong, functional, and easy to assemble. This is the HK Cuba bookcase. Now to assemble this unit, all you'll need is a hammer and the supplied hex wrench. First things first, we need to follow the diagram and install all the hardware. So wooden dowels go in the 8mm holes, shelf pins in the 5mm holes, and the protector strips can be pushed into the bottom of the side panels. Now when assembling these flat packs, it's often a lot easier to do it with them laying on their back. That way you can hold it all together while you put in your screws. Just be careful not to scratch the finish. Start by securing the top and base to the side panels using the director screws. Now hold the bottom rail in position while locating the other side panel. Then secure it in the same way with the director screws. Next is the backing board. So carefully flip the unit over and fasten the backing board using the supplied nails. Now stand the unit up and pop in the shelves. Then to finish off, use the vinyl stickers to hide the screws. It really is that easy to assemble. Now remember, this is just one of the flat pack options available at Builders, in store or online at builders.co.za. And for more videos like this, visit the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.